Okay, ma. So before we knowing about animal biotechnology, okay, so first we know about the biotechnology. What is biotechnology? Okay, so biotechnology helps to meet our basic needs. Okay, so it is help to what is that మన basic needs కి biotechnology చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. Like what is that? Food, clothing, shelter, health and safety. Okay, so this type of basic need purpose, okay, biotechnology is very useful. So suppose improvements by using sciences, and sciences helps in produce plants, animals and other organisms, right? Okay, so here what is that? Improvements by using science. Improvements by using science, like plants improvement means production, animal production and other organisms production. Okay, so this is the improvement of that particular organisms using the science, and also use in maintaining a good environment that promotes our well-being. So here this biotechnology is also used in maintaining a good environment. So environment means our surroundings, and our surroundings, what is that? Water, weather, ఎర్త్. ఓకే, సో అలా మన సరౌండింగ్స్ని కూడా మనం ఏంటి గుడ్ మెయింటెనెన్స్ కోసం ప్రమోట్ చేయడానికి ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ బయోటెక్నాలజీ ఈజ్ యూస్ఫుల్. ఓకే, సో దెన్ using specific processes to get new organisms or new products from the organisms. Specific processes, in biotechnology process we use different processes like cell culturing, okay, cloning. Through these processes means specific processes get new organisms or new products. New organisms like cloning ద్వారా through new organisms produce చేయడం, and next are new products. Okay, so new products production means cell culture ద్వారా, okay, so direct గా what we want products ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయడం. సో అదంతా ఏంటి యూజింగ్ ఆఫ్ biotechnology. And large area so includes many approaches and methods in science and technology. Okay, so science and technology లో మనకి ఏంటంటే ఎక్కువ what is it correlation or large area అంటే between these what is that science and biotechnology. So science and technology, sorry ma, science and technology. Okay, so combinedly known as biotechnology. Science and technology is combinedly known as biotechnology. Okay ma, so here you also observe this uh, yeah, so here definition of biotechnology. Biology, we know that what is that? Study of science living things, science of living things. So living things, animals, plants, microorganisms, so these all uh, what is that, knowing about this or studying about these living things, that is science or biology, actually biology. Then here technology. So what is technology? Use of science in solving problems or making of products, and which are beneficial to mankind. Okay, so అంటే మనకి హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్కి ఆర్ మ్యాన్ కైండ్స్కి యూజ్ అయ్యేలాగా మనం ఏంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవడం, లేదా మేకింగ్ న్యూ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ని ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసుకోవడం. సో ఇదంతా అంటే విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ సైన్స్. సో దిస్ ప్రాసెస్ వాజ్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ అండర్గోస్ టు టెక్నాలజీ. So here biotechnology means combination of biology and technology, that is biotechnology. Combination of biology and technology, that was biotechnology. Jyoti. Okay. So here combination of biology and technology, that is biotechnology. Any techniques that uses any organisms or part of organisms to make modified products. Okay, so here మనకి యాక్చువల్ ఏంటి మేకింగ్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఆర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వింగ్స్, దట్ ఈస్ with the help of science, that is technology. So these what is that techniques, this technology techniques that uses to produce what is that modify products of animals or organisms, okay, are part of the animal or part of the living organism, that is okay undergoes to biotechnology. Okay ma, so here another one. Yes. So other definitions also here. mm, More definitions of biotechnology. Actually, what is exact biology? Biotechnology. What is exactly biotechnology? So here, any technique, ఇందాకే చెప్పాను నేను. So techniques that uses living organisms or substances from those organisms to make or modify a product. Okay, so what is that? With the help of these techniques, living organisms or substances నుంచి or the type of techniques ని యూజ్ చేసిన ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ నుంచి టు మేక్ మోడిఫై ప్రోడక్ట్స్. ఓకే, సో మోడిఫై ప్రోడక్ట్స్ని మనం కలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటే లేదా ఇంప్రూవ్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఆర్ యానిమల్స్ ఆర్ స్పెసిఫిక్ పర్పసెస్. సో యానిమల్స్ని ప్లాంట్స్ని మనం ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకుంటే అంటే గుడ్ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ మా క్వాలిటీ. ఓకే, సో గుడ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ని ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకుంటే ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ యూజింగ్ టెక్నిక్స్, దట్ ఈస్ యాక్చువల్ biotechnology. And special purposes such as that is example to produce medicines and vaccines, increasement of animal milk production rate and increasement of animal size. Okay, so reduce cost of tradition animal breeding. Okay, so tradition animal breeding ni reduce cheyochu with the help of this biotechnology. And here specific purposes means production of medicines, production of vaccines, antibiotics. And what is that here? The production of milk rate is increased. Okay, so size of the animal is also increased. Okay, all are is this, what is that? And it comes in the biotechnology. Biotechnology. So here we knowing about next animal biotechnology. Yes, little what is that? The history about biotechnology. So here uh, from the ancient days to nowadays. Okay, so this biotechnology divided into three stages: ancient biotechnology, classical biotechnology, and modern biotechnology. Ancient biotechnology means the early eras of the stages like what is that? Uh, Approximately 80s. Okay, so and after a few years of disease also, and it comes to ancient biotechnology. So early history as related to early history, starting history of biotechnology is related to this ancient biotechnology. So what type of biotechnology techniques they used in that time, the scientists, ancient scientists can use. Okay, so food and shelter, so includes domestication. Okay, so domestication means animal ని grow చేసుకోవడం. Domestication అంటే తెలుసు కదమ్మా. Actually, once upon a time or ancient times, all animals are wild, even including human also wild animal. Human beings also wild animals. All remaining animals also wild animals. So wild animals ని domestic animals గా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవడం అండ్ ఫుడ్ పర్పస్గా షెల్టర్ పర్పస్గా ఏన్షియన్ డేస్లో లిటిల్ బయోటెక్నాలజీ టెక్నిక్స్ని యూజ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు. అంటే అక్కడ వాటి పర్పస్లో యాక్చువల్లీ వాళ్ళకి తెలియకుండానే టెక్నిక్స్ని యూజ్ చేశారు. దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో అండర్ కమ్స్ ఇన్ ఏన్షియంట్ biotechnology. Ancient biotechnology. Then next classical biotechnology. So some what is that science కొంచెం డెవలప్ అవుతున్న days లో, so some scientists are interested in this way. So that period was mentioned as a classical biotechnology. Okay, so built and ancient biotechnology. Okay, so then formation framation promoted food products and medicines. So ఆ టైంలో మనకి ఏంటంటే ఏన్షియంట్ బయోటెక్నాలజీ పైన మనకేంటి క్లాసికల్ బయోటెక్నాలజీని సైంటిస్ట్ బిల్డ్ చేశారు. సో ఆ టైంలో ఏంటి వాట్ దే ఫ్రేమ్డ్ ప్రమోటెడ్ ఫుడ్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్. సో ఫుడ్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ని ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవడం, ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకోవడం, దెన్ వాటిని ప్రమోట్ చేయడం అండ్ సమ్ what is that beginning medicines. So medicines production process. Okay, so from the animals or with the help of animals. సో ఇవన్నీ మనకేంటి క్లాసికల్ బయోటెక్నాలజీ టైంలో అంటే సైంటిస్ట్ దే what is that interested in biotechnology branches. Okay, so అలా మనకి little experiments, this all under comes to classical biotechnology. Then modern biotechnology, after introduction of microscope and introduction of what is that DNA model or DNA structure, means Watson and Crick DNA structure. Okay, so then after uh, introduction of microscope and DNA. Okay, so then the what is that biotechnology completely turned. Biotechnology was completely turned, and okay, so it have a modern biotechnology, not classical, not ancient. So in this nowadays, with the help of DNA, okay, or RDNA technologies, we are using of vectors. Okay, so cloning vectors use చేసుకొని with the help of RDNA technology, the RDNA technology. Okay, so number of products, number of new animals. Okay, so useful for mankind. So అదంతా and genetic engineering processes, useful to genetic engineering processes. సో అదంతా మనకి మోడర్న్ బయోటెక్నాలజీ కింద తెలుసుకోవచ్చు.